Well, today's video is sponsored by Black Gold Compost Company. We want to thank the good people over at Black Gold for their generous donation of all this black cow manure that we're using in our video today. Thank you for sponsoring our channel. Well, good morning, Homestead family. Today I'm going to grow some Easter egg radishes for my grandson. We'll be right back after the break. Well, welcome back, friends. And today we're going to grow some Easter egg radishes. I'm going to grow them in a container, and I want to grow these specifically just for my grandson because he's only 3 years old and he's starting to get interested in the garden, you know, helping out with granddaddy, and he just loves to pull things out of the ground like carrots and things like radishes. And I thought having this little Easter egg radish would be fun for him because it's all different colors. So today's one of those videos we're just doing just to have some fun. So anyway, I got these seeds at johnnyseed.com. Go check them out online if you want to get some for yourself. They got a wide variety of all kinds of good stuff to grow in your garden. So let's get these things started and get the show on the road. First thing I did is I mixed up a good old wheelbarrow load of my container soil, and I make this at home myself. We have a video on our channel if you'd like to go check that out. It'll show you how you can do this yourself at home. I've been doing it like this for years, and it makes my container growing easy. You know, instead of going and buying all those bags of a container mix, I mix up 3 ingredients: compressed dry peat, 1/3 part peat, 1/3 part black cow manure, and 1/3 part potting mix. And I mix the 3 together and it seems to work out real well. I add some perlite at the end to blend in with it to keep it aerated. So anyway, this is what I'm going to be using as the growing medium in my container today. Let's check out the container. I've been using these kind of containers for years. I get one that's about, you know, anywhere from 6 to 9 inches deep, and this one I think is 7 inches. So I get this at, you know, Lowe's, and I drill some holes in the bottom, and I use 3/4 inch holes, and I drilled kind of a good pattern. Let me get kind of close so you can see that pattern. There you go. There's the holes I drill because you want to make sure you have plenty of drainage. And this is what I'll use to grow my radishes. So let's head over there to the grow table where we're going to set these out, and we'll get these things started. Okay, we're over at the little table that I'm going to be growing these on. What I do is I add in some of my container mix. I usually like to fill this up till it's about 1 inch from the top of the container. And remember, these radishes, they don't have really deep roots, so this container will work just fine for them. Okay. Spread it out and get it where it's in there kind of even. There we go. Now let's pre-moisten this soil a little bit. Okay. Let this soak down. What I like to use to make my holes is my little template that I made many years ago. I guess y'all have seen this on many of my videos, you know, growing radishes and things in these trays. But this will punch a hole into the soil, make a little dimple, and it makes it easy for me to keep my spacing good. And I made it where it fits right in these things just about right. So I put it in here. Make some nice little dimples for me. Okay. Next step, take my seeds. And for these radishes, I just try to put, you know, one seed per hole. I don't want to come back and try to worry about trying to thin them out. So I just put one seed a hole. Okay. And the next thing I do is I take some of my potting mix, my dry mix, and I just barely sprinkle it over the top. Okay. Then I want to try to pat that down a little bit just to hold everything in place. And the last step, try to water in a little bit of that soil that we just put on top of there because it's dry. There we go. Okay, we got our Easter egg radishes in the containers and watered in and set. So we'll be looking forward to the days ahead to watch these develop on out until finally I can let my little grandson Fisher come over here and pull them all up. He'll have fun doing it. So we'll see you back here in a few weeks and take a look at the update on the progress of our little Easter egg radishes. See you then. Well, good morning, Homestead family. It's only been 5 days since we planted our Easter egg radishes in the little containers out here, and just wanted to give you an update on the status. The little guys have emerged. They've broke ground. They're showing some codlin leaves, so they're doing very well for something. It's only 5 days old. So we're looking forward to the days ahead as these continue to grow and develop. And we'll monitor the progress all the way up until the day we get to harvest them. So we'll be back in probably another week. See you then. Well, welcome back, friends. Our Easter egg radishes have been growing for 15 days today, since the day that we planted them in the seed in the containers. And as you can take a look, and as you can see, they're actually starting to make some pretty good progress. Lots of pretty little foliage, and I can look down. If I look real close in there, I can even see some little teeny weeny radishes starting to form up down there at the soil level. So it's not going to be too much longer now. We'll be able to pull up some of these pretty little radishes and check them out. So we'll be back here in maybe another week or so, a couple of weeks, and take a look at how they've grown and actually see if we can get some harvested up and take a look at them. So we'll be back here in a week and a half, 2 weeks. See you then. Well, welcome back, friends. Our Easter egg radishes have been growing for 4 weeks and 1 day. They are ready to pick. Actually, they were ready to pick a week ago. Miss Nancy came out here and she cleaned out a whole bunch of them, so I had to wait another week before I could do the video to let them kind of recover from her picking. But anyway, today she's making she cooked a big old turkey in there, and she goes, go out there and grab me a bunch of radishes because I'm gonna make a big turkey salad for supper. And I said, ooh, man, that does sound good. So today I'm gonna grab up a bunch of these, just show you how they look, and we'll head over there to the harvest area and we'll clean them up and take a look at them. So let me grab some of these things. Okay, I got a bunch. Let's go see what we got. Well, there we go. Nice little bunch of Easter egg radishes. Come on up here and take a close look and check out how pretty these colors are. We've got a nice mix, got some whites, got some purples, some red. It's kind of a nice little mix, kind of something different. A little something fun for the kids to learn how to garden on and grow, be exciting for them, and be a kind of an easy way to get them interested in gardening. This is our little harvest for today, and I guess most of you already know it, but of course you can eat the leaves as well. So I take the leaves in, she incorporates that into the salad as well. Well, I sure thank you for traveling along with me on this little journey of growing these little Easter egg radishes together. I hope you had fun doing that. I hope our video brought a little joy to your day and a little peace to your heart. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.